How to change PIN on Wells Fargo debit card. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can change PIN on Wells Fargo debit card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to change the PIN on a Wells Fargo debit card, you have to follow these steps. So if you know your current card PIN and want to change it, then you have three options. First is sign on to Wells Fargo online or your Wells Fargo mobile app, then select change your PIN from the cards menu and follow the directions. Second is visit a Wells Fargo ATM or branch. Just be sure to have your card and identification with you. Third is call the phone number on the back of your card and follow the automated customer service options. Or if you don't know your PIN, then you can bring your card and identification to your local Wells Fargo branch to reset your PIN and select a new one. Or you can call the number on the back of your card to speak with a phone banker and a new system generated PIN will be mailed to you. So that's how you can change PIN on Wells Fargo debit card. That's all for this video.